If you're looking for dog quick release collar, this video is for you. My name is Brian, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time, you can click this circle in the corner and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1, most popular, by Downtown Pet Supply. Watch this video. Choose your favorite. Number 2, by Herm Sprenger. Number 3, by Sgoda. Get your favorite dog quick release collar now. Just click this circle in the corner. Number 4, by PetSafe. Number 5, by Tellpet. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click the circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.